Welcome back to the channel. I know the screen's a little small, but that's because I'm trying to fit the pictures on the screen. So I'm going to be showing you two buddies that I created. These are not coming to the game. Last time I did one of these, people asked how to get them. You can't get them, they're not going to be in the game, but I'm going to ask if because here, if you go to hack announcements, it says idea. I just had a great idea. Prodigy texture packs just use redirects, so we load our images instead of Prodigy images. So that could basically mean that I could request something and then they could make a texture pack for it. So I made two buddies and I'm going to be showing them to you. So here they are. So our first one looks like this. This would be like a YouTuber buddy. I used the eyes from the alien dog. I just added, or this is just a normal play button. I added some red squares or rectangles right here to make the nose, and then the legs are from Snup. This would just follow you around if you were a YouTuber with over, I don't know, 1,000 subscribers maybe. This will definitely not come to the game because Prodigy probably doesn't support the creators at all. And on to the next one. So this is a maned wolf. It looks pretty bad. So this would be a stripe on its back. This is basically the fox. You can look up a maned wolf to see what it actually looks like. These feet, I don't remember what they're from. I think they're from the fox. Pretty much all these are from the fox. I just changed the color a little bit on the fox. Added some eyes. A fox tail. So as you can see, I'm pretty bad at photo editing. I can make thumbnails, but I cannot do this. So yeah. I'll show you a quick picture of a maned wolf. So they look like this. And yeah, that's pretty much going to end up the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked, make sure to like and subscribe. We are trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of May. Let's see if we can make it happen, and bye.